Heal and Cure Medical Wellness Center joins us now to share how non-surgical treatments could help. Hi, Dr. Meena.
Hi, good morning, Tanya and G. Thank you for having me over again.
Of course, this is a conversation that a lot of people are not comfortable with having, but it needs to be had because there are ways to help.
You are so right, and I'm so excited and thrilled to talk about this non-surgical treatment for female incontinence because 50% of adult women have it. And 40% of them never seek any treatment.
Okay.
It's embarrassing. You know, if you leak every time you cough or sneeze, I don't blame them, right? It can be really embarrassing. So, and even if they bring it forward, Tanya and G, are they offered? Surgery or medication.
Yes.
Surgery, I don't blame anyone if you don't want to undergo anesthesia. Medications don't work very well and have lots of side effects.
Okay.
That is the reason this life-changing, awesome treatment, because it works on the root cause of the female incontinence.
Yes, which is,
So root cause of the female incontinence is the weakness of the muscles in the area, in the pelvic floor, and fragility of the lining of the area, the vaginal canal over there.
Okay.
So as you work on them, not only the treatment is super effective, but no downtime or no side effects. That is the beauty about it.
And you have two ways to approach it?
Correct. So two issues, right? One, to strengthen the muscle. How about if I tell you a treatment is as simple as sitting on the chair?
Okay.
Salah, you sit on the chair, I call it a throne, and the floor, the base of the chair is doing the work.
Oh, okay.
It is delivering the electromagnetic energy to strengthen the muscles. And we use this device called V-Tone to get to the deeper muscles.
Oh,
now
okay.
together, 30 minutes of treatment is equivalent to 12,000 Kegels.
Oh,
That tells you how powerful this treatment is.
And the problem with Kegels is a lot of people don't do them correctly.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. So this is engaging those muscles very, very well. And then to strengthen the lining, we use this magic wand called Forma V, which is delivering controlled energy to rejuvenate, to restore the health of that lining. So it produces more collagen, the tissue becomes more supple and stronger. And as the muscle and mucosa is healthier, stronger, plumper, when you have that urge to go, you can control it better.
And now, is this a one treatment type of thing?
No, Tanya. You have to do a series of them, and you can do all of them in different combinations. It depends upon how much of the problem is. That is the reason an exam is important. You look at it, and then you decide how many of which treatments. Usually, it could be anywhere from 6 to 8 treatments.
well, when we're talking about incontinence and like strengthening the pelvic floor, how I've heard it described is it's kind of like a hammock that holds up all the important organs there.
You are very, very right, G.
What are the ages of women that are affected? Like, you can be young, or maybe you never had kids before, right?
You are so right. It affects a long range from 30s to anywhere in 60s. Childbirth, trauma, or any kind of back issues, just aging, perimenopause, menopause, as the hormones are going down, because the health of that tissue is so hormone dependent. You know, this treatment can change any woman's life, but more so for the breast cancer patients. You know, October is a breast cancer survivor patient month, and these women go through very dramatic decline in their hormones as a part of the therapy.
Yes.
So their deterioration of these symptoms are rapid and really, really frustrating.
Okay, so after you go through the series of whatever treatments you choose and however many you need, will you need it again? Or is this sort of a one series treatment and done?
It depends how far advanced your issue is. So you start early. Just like any treatment, the earlier you start, more effective the treatment is. Some women may need maintenance, some may not, but it is really a lunchtime treatment. So there's no downtime involved to it. So if you need maintenance, maybe once a year, I think 30 minutes once a year is no big deal. Or if you
Okay.
even need it twice a year,
Yeah.
I'll go with this anytime. So you can laugh without the fear of wetting your pants or go about
Oh my goodness.
your day without knowing every single
Yes.
bathroom in the city.
I
There
love
you
that.
go.
That's so-
Dr. Mina, that
Yeah.
is to the point.
Yes, so important. Thank you so much for being with us. We really appreciate
Welcome.
it.
I
Yeah.
always enjoy coming here.
Here's the
Yeah.
information for Heal and Cure Medical Wellness Center, the telephone number as well as the website. And as we see, the first 25 callers will get $300
Yeah.
off other treatments. Dr. Mina, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Loving it. Thank
I
you
always
so
enjoy
much.
being here.